Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this retro video edit on CapCut PC. Select your video, any video that you want, and go to effects, and you're going to select the TV section here, get Betamax, and add it to your video. Turn off blur, turn off twist, sharpen, size, and texture. We only want the filter for this one. And we're going to then go to retro, and we're going to add the low quality effect to it. You're going to add in blur, a little bit of color, a little bit of more filter, and sharpen. You can also adjust this lateral chromatic aberration if you'd like to. If you don't want to have it on, just make it a little bit, like, turn the slide to 0. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!